Hey, what's going on, y'all? Project OBS here. Got the truck in the garage today. And some of y'all probably don't know what the hell I'm doing. Anyways, I'm gonna show you right here. So we got some shocks. I bought all four. These are the rear ones. I'm gonna do the front probably tomorrow. Anyways, I bought these shocks from AutoZone. Let me get the light and everything. Show you guys what I got. See? Okay, there we go. Alright. So I bought those cheap ass shocks. These are like the San Gabriel, or whatever you want to call them. Shock are like 20 bucks at AutoZone. And I bought these 5 years ago, and this one took a shit on me. Sunday. I was driving, and one where I was riding so funny, and it sounded so weird, and now I don't know why. So anyways, got some OEM shocks from Rock Auto, 130, either 130, no, $151 for all four of them. That's including shipping and tax and everything. And gonna get these off and put the new ones on, and hopefully this thing will ride better also. And I still have to get this addressed, that shackle. When the guy put on, he didn't put it in the top hole, so it's not really sitting at a full 2-inch drop. We're gonna address that in the future, because this bed's coming off, and I'm gonna clean the frame up and everything. But that's not the line also too. I got some grease up there. Huh, I get up there. That's weird. Oh, anyways, be able to put these shocks off, and pinion seal leak. Look like it. Anyways, pull these shocks out. I get the top mounts out. I got the bottom one out, and then I'm gonna get back to it. So this might be a minute. I haven't done these in a long time, so we'll see how this turns out. Hopefully it's not horrible. So I'm gonna get this off, and I'm gonna let my camera charge also too, because it's only at like 30%. So I'll bring y'all back when I'm all done, and we might go for a test drive today, maybe not, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, well, so far I got one shock out, which is the bad one. Had to grab me a pillow for my big ass head, man. So you guys, this is fairly easy, but you know, get you a pillow so you can lay down like this. But anyways, I'll show you what we got. So these are the new shocks, AC Delco, and these are a lot bigger than the ones I had on here. They're a lot bigger actually, as far as the guess you say like the sleeve, I guess, or the piston size, whatever, I don't know. But these are a lot bigger than ones I pulled off. We gotta tighten up this last bolt right here. Probably can't see it because the camera's not gonna pick it up. And then put the bolt in here. I'm gonna cut the string and then try to get this in there and time it just right, where I can just put it in there. So once I get done with that, we should be all good with that. And this don't take long, I think. Let me see, the bottom bolt is, what we got? The bottom one is I use a 7/8, and then I think the other one I used for the impact, I think 22 or something like that, or 21. What size is this damn thing? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what size this is. This is a 22 mil socket I used. So that's all I had to do this with. But anyways, this is easy. It doesn't take long to do this. Almost done. Do the passenger side, and that's gonna be it. I might do the front still, I might not, I don't know. We'll see how that side turns out. I know I had a problem putting that side in before, so we'll see how that turns out. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up this, get this zipped up, and then I'm gonna show you the comparison of my old shock and this new one, how much of a size difference they are. So let me finish up this, and then grab the old shock, and then grab one of the new ones, and then show you the difference in them in size. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, cool. All right, y'all, so this is the old shock. This thing is smaller, and this one is a lot more beefier, even though these are regular shocks. These are not Z71 shocks or 4-wheel drive. These are regular equipment ride, original ride shocks from AC Delco, out from Rock Auto. y'all the part number for the rear shocks if you want the AC Delco original ride shocks. Here it is right here. Can you read that? Part number 530-189, and the fronts are 530-190. So put this last shock in, and then we're gonna do the front maybe tomorrow, probably. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. I'm already tired. I've worked since, what's today? Today is what is today? Today is Wednesday the 22nd. I've been at work since Friday. I drove from the following Sunday. I drove from Sacramento to Houston, Texas. Stayed there for like 2 days, 3 days. Came back started heading back Friday, and I got here Sunday. Got off work Sunday at like 2:30. Then I came in Monday morning at like 5. Left from Sacramento, right at my job. Drove to Tacoma, got back today. So I'm a little tired. So I do the fronts today. I might do it tomorrow probably. And if I do the fronts, I might do it out here. I might do it out here probably if I do the fronts. I'll probably do it right here. I'm doing these back here. I don't know why. Well, the sun was out earlier when I started doing this about like 30 minutes ago. It's kind of like going down now. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if you guys are in the Sacramento area and you want a rear sliding window for a 88, 98 or 99 classic, whatever, Silverado, I got one right there. If you guys want a bed liner, I got one there also too. If not, I'm probably gonna just trash it pretty soon, maybe like the next couple of days. I might just trash it. I don't really need it. And I also got some E-fans for an NBS. So these are from a 05 Suburban, I think. Yeah, 05 Suburban. They work. $60, you can get them. I'm not shipping anything. Come pick them up. Hit me up on the on Instagram. Jesus at 9704. Oh, I'm sorry. It's ONBS_9704. Message me there. We can meet up and everything and get these fans swapped out. Same thing for the window and the bed liner also too. If not, I'm gonna start throwing stuff away. And if you also need some sun visors, I got 4 of them here, total of 4. They can go also, don't need them. Already got some new ones pretty much. What else you got for this? Oh, sorry, what else you got for this thing? I think that's it. Anyways, I'll finish up this last shock. I'm not gonna record that because you guys know the process. You only need like 2 tools really to do this anyways. So I got this passenger side shock to finish up, and that's it. I have allergies right now. I might do the front, I might not. It depends on how I feel. If I do the front, I'll record it. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. I'm kind of tired. Anyways, I'll finish up this. You get this old shock out, this new one in, drop it back down, and depending on how I feel, I might go out there and do it right there on the pad. I might not. I don't know, depends on how I feel. All right, y'all. This might be the end of this video. No, I'm gonna record the front also. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. It may be a couple days later on, but I'll catch you in a minute though. Just be cool, be easy. Just chill out, wait, okay? All right, later. All right, guys. So I'm breathing hard right now. Anyways, I got the front shock off, and this would be bad also too. It didn't even compress at all. Show you what I got going on right now. Pulled the wheel off. Didn't really have to really. Got my jack stand there, my 3-ton jack here. Took my impact 15 mil top bolt, zipped right off, came right off. So we gonna match up with how that one is with the new one. Now I don't think this comes with a top bolt. Oh shit! Put this on the ground, shall we? Old shock, new shock. All right. Oh yeah, it comes with top bolts. We're just gonna copy this. glitter and everything. Alright. So I'm gonna get this put together and I'll bring y'all back in a second. Alright, so pretty much this is how it's gonna go. Put that back down. So you got your bottom plate, then it's the big one, then it's the frame part, then it goes this piece, that piece, and this one goes like this. I hope you guys can see that. Then like the frame is between this and this, and the nut goes on there. So we're gonna get these put in, and I'll get you guys back in a second. So ran into a problem, very small problem though. So when I had my front end done about 5 years ago, I had them put in, you know, these shocks and everything. I had to look at this bolt. You can see that this one's kind of rounded off. I couldn't really get it off. I had to use I think a 12-point socket on it to get it off. So I got my wife going to the store for me, since she's already gonna be out anyways, to get me some new bolts for this. But once she gets back from that, put the shock back in. This is a fairly easy process. So let me just give you a rundown of what I did basically. So all I did was take off the tire, obviously. Take off the tire. I jacked up the front end. I unbolted the top of the shock on the shock mount at the top. Unbolted that. And then did the bottom bolts, and the damn thing just fell out. I'd have to use a ratcheting wrench in order to get it off. It just popped out. Now, hopefully it did that because they're old. She's still here? She's still here. Hopefully they did that because they're old, and I don't think the new one is gonna do that. I don't think it is. So we're gonna find out. And I'm not sure if this is a bad shock or not. Not this black one, obviously it's brand new, but this red one, because it didn't really go up any further than that as far as it went. I don't know. I mean, looks the same pretty much actually. Looks the same pretty much, same length and everything. This one didn't come with any wire wrapped around it, so I don't really worry about that. So when she gets back from the store, I'm gonna put these in and I'm gonna call it a day. Look at this bushing right here. Bushing is beat up. It is beat. He's only like 5 years old. It's crazy. Anyways, so when she finishes, come back from the store, hopefully she gets the right bolt. Hopefully she gets the right bolt, and put the shock back in. Hopefully they don't go in like a pain in the ass like the rest of them do. Hopefully they just go right back in how they came out, and I can bolt everything back up and call it a day. Oh, I might have her get me a fuel filter. Well, I'll go tomorrow, because I need to do spark plugs on this one, because my emissions test is coming up. Spark plugs, coil, spark plug wires, cap and rotor on this one. My tags are due this next month actually, and it has to go in for a, let me see, what do my tags actually do? I'll show you my address. Let's see, due on the 9th of next month. So freaking thing. So I got to go up there and get my tags between now and the 9th. And I wasn't go tomorrow, which I still might, just to get it out the way. So I'm off the next couple days. I have to call a Jiffy Lube because the DMV is gonna be closed to get my tags, and we'll see what happens from there. Anyway, guys, when she come back, I'll bring you guys back and I'll finish up this side. And I know it's not like a how-to video on how to do this. It's more like it's what I'm doing for you guys, I guess, if you want to call it that. I don't know. But we're gonna finish up this, and get back to it. Don't mind my voice. It's the allergies. The allergies kicking up now. The grass and everything. Once I put these in, bolt everything back up, I'm gonna go for a test drive. Probably get some gas maybe. I go to Lowe's actually too. I'll go tomorrow. I'm off for 4 days, so whatever. But yep, finish up that, and I had to cut the grass again too. Damn it. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, peace. And we're back. I'm out of breath and I'm tired. So we got new bolts. Everyone know what they are. Here's your part number. Focus. It's 980-430D. Look like. Got him in. Got him in. Those bronze things. So we're gonna finish up this, and I might end this video right here for you guys. I'm sorry, but this is like tiring as hell. Almost done. I gotta get one of the little plates that go on top of the shock off the control arm where the camera bolts are. It fell right there. I gotta pick up that, and then that's it. Hopefully this shock just bolts back down like the other one did. I gotta freaking use a open-end wrench and everything else to put it back on there. Anyways, if it goes like that, I'm good. If not, I'm screwed. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in a few. I'll probably pick up tomorrow when I do my driving test and let you guys know how good it rides, because this truck did ride horribly. And I'm on 22s. These are 285, 35, 22. Even when I had on my stock wheels and tires, it still rode horribly. Real stiff. On the freeway, it runs fine. Even like, small bumps, it rides fine still. Excuse me. I did track down some stock wheels and tires that I might pick up. 100% sure yet. The guy did paint the wheels black, but I don't really care. I can get it off and probably get them polished out, whatever, or something like that. They want 180 for them, so I'm gonna try to see if I get them for like 150, 140, something like that. Anyways, hey Bentley, come here. Hey y'all, it's Bentley. Hey Bentley, what's up, dude? Say hi to the camera. What's up? Who you out there chasing? Go out to the camera. The camera. This is Bentley, one of our dogs. What you doing out there? It's not pet time. You out there chasing squirrels and everything. He's killed like 4 birds in our backyard in the last probably 6 months. I think he's killed like the neighbor's rooster. I don't really hear it that much no more in the morning. And he killed a blue jay, and he killed a couple other birds, but I don't know how he's doing it, but he's doing it. Where you going, dude? Hey, Bentley, where you going? Come here. Come here. Where you going? Anyways, I'll catch y'all when I finish up this. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow. Hopefully. And I'll get the review done of these shocks and the ride quality now of the truck. Catch y'all in a minute.